I went to, up until the age of 7, I didn't really do much except go with my parents on Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur. After that, I learned in Cheder. I didn't really learn that much. I learned our technique for learning was we read the Torah and then we translated it into Yiddish. That, you see what I mean about being Yiddish and that being my identity? So, uh, you know, Bereshis bara Elohim es hashamayim v'sa'oretz. Nam fankat got b'shafan himmel und erd. You know, that's how you did it. When I learned the 4 kashas, I learned them in 3 languages. Manishtan halal zemikol halelos. Favos is die Nacht anders von einer anderen Nacht na ganze Jahr. Why is this night different from all of the nights the whole year? You know, like that, all the way through. So, yeah, the common theme in everything was Yiddish, right? So, I just, I just knew that, and my parents would always explain it. You know, if I complained about something, they'd say, "Oh no, das ist nicht für dir. Die bist da Yid, das ist für die Englische. Das ist nicht für dir." Sometimes das ist für die Goyim. Das ist für dir.